Now let us take problems. How many ways 10 people can be arranged in a row? There are two questions. So that certain pair is always together. So that second question is certain pair is never together. Okay, let us solve this problem. First of all, how many ways 10 people can be arranged in a line? When I write like this, I mean 10 people arranged in a line. How many ways 10 people can be arranged in a line? 10 people in a line. Just now we seen the answer is 10 factorial. See, without any condition, problem is very simple. Let us see the condition. First condition. Certain pair always together. See, when you say certain pair means a fixed pair. The meaning of that is a fixed pair. Let us say okay, let me write certain pair. See, when you say certain pair means a fixed pair. Let us say A, B are the two people. You want these two people always together. So whenever you want two people always together, you tie them. Bandhu. Okay. So now wherever they sit like a single unit. So for mathematical problem, you can consider it as a single unit. These two are like one unit. Remaining how many people? Total 10, 2 are gone means remaining how many? 8 people. So you can consider them as 8 units. So total how many units? 9 units. Wonderful. How many ways you can arrange 9 units in a line? How many ways you can arrange 9 units in a line? So simple question, 9 factorial is the answer. Now, for each of these arrangements, so you have 9 factorial, no? It's like 1, 2, 3 and so on. Total 9 factorial arrangements are there. In every arrangement we are having AB as a single unit. But AB are together, but I never said A should be sitting first and B should be sitting next. So that condition is not there. But when you say 9 factorial means you are putting that condition, A first and B next. But that condition is not there. So in every arrangement we can arrange AB among themselves. That is, for each of these arrangements, AB can be arranged among themselves. AB can be arranged among themselves. That is AB, BA. For each arrangement, AB can be arranged among themselves in 2 factorial ways. Okay. So the number of ways in which AB can be arranged is equal to 2 factorial into 9 factorial. It is again simple problem, sir. For one arrangement, there are 2 factorial arrangements of AB. Then for 9 factorial arrangements, how many arrangements are there? Same question now, 1 chocolate 2 rupees, then 10 chocolates how much? Same like that. One arrangement require 2 arrangements of AB. Then 9 factorial arrangements require how many arrangements of AB? So that is 2 factorial into 9 factorial. Okay, let us see the part B. Number of arrangements in which certain pair never together. Certain pair never together means, let us say certain pair, I simply write like this. Certain pair never together or not together. Certain pair not together. Now this is a very simple problem, sir. Whenever you take 2 people, either they are together or they are not together. There is no other possibility. So here we can use our beautiful indirect counting approach. So I can do it this way. From total possibility, remove the possibilities where these 2 people are always together. Got the answer? So what is total? Number of ways you can arrange 10 people, 10 factorial. How many ways AB can be arranged among themselves? Or AB can be arranged together, or certain pair always together? That is 2 factorial into 9 factorial. So the answer is, taking 9 factorial common, 10 minus 2 factorial means 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. So the answer is 8 into 9 factorial. See, this problem is very, very simple, sir. See, where you can take 10 people, 20 people, 30 people, any number of people. Whenever the question is about certain pair, 2 people together and 2 people never together, this method works beautifully. You can easily get the answer for this problem. Okay. Next problem. It's actually same problem, but the arrangement now in circle. How many ways 10 people can be arranged in a circle? That is around a table, you can say. Okay. So that certain pair always together. Second thing is certain pair never together. But now it is a circular arrangement. First of all, how can you arrange 10 people, okay, in a circle? How can you arrange 10 people in a circle? So 10 people circle means one less. That is, if n people are there, how many circular permutations are there? N minus 1 factorial. 10 people are there, how many circular permutations? 10 minus 1 factorial. Okay. Now, the first question. Certain pair always together. Certain pair always together. So certain pair, let us take the certain pair as AB. You want them to be always together. So they are 1 unit. Remaining how many? 8. So total 9 units. If you actually observe the previous problem carefully, you can get the answer for this also very easily. Okay. But only thing is circular arrangement. You have to be careful. So 9 units in circle. How can you arrange 9 units in circle? So idea for circular permutation is fix one and arrange remaining. So 9 units in circle can be arranged in 8 factorial ways. So it's like, you know, you fixed one and remaining you arranged, okay, in 8 factorial ways. Now it's like, you know, 1, 2, 3, like that you have 8 factorial arrangements. For each of these arrangements, what about AB? Because in every arrangement AB are sitting. How many ways AB can be arranged? Now the question is, AB can be arranged in 1 way or 2 factorial ways, because it is in a circle. This is a big doubt. Okay, you please pause and okay, think about it, then you see the solution. Okay. Hope you paused and coming back here. Now AB can be arranged in how many ways? For each of these arrangements, AB can be arranged in how many ways? Now generally some people think because circular arrangement you less 1 and 1 factorial is the answer. My dear friends, please be careful. When you are arranging these 9 units, you already fixed one object. Once you fix the object, rest of the story is linear permutation only. Because AB are in the same circle. They are not going in, sitting in another circle, no. They are sitting in the same circle. Already one object is fixed. So you don't have to again fix it. So AB can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. That is A here, B here, or B here, A here, like that. That is A in the clockwise direction of B or A in the anti-clockwise direction of B. Like that you can think. Got it? So for each of these arrangements, AB can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. So again same thing, for one arrangement there are 2 factorial arrangements of AB. Then for 8 factorial arrangements, how many arrangements of AB are there? So the number of ways in which certain pair always together is given by 2 factorial into 8 factorial. Okay, clear? Now let us see certain pair not together or not always together. So my notation is certain pair not together. How you get it? Here also same idea. From total, remove the cases where certain pair always together. Total how many? 9 factorial minus 2 factorial into 8 factorial. So you can take 8 factorial common. So 9 minus 2. So the answer is 7 into 8 factorial. Please simplify and write the answer. I am not simplifying this, my dear friends. Please use calculator if you are having trouble with multiplication. Okay. Let us see the next problem. How many ways four women and 4 men can be arranged in a row? Okay, so that all 4 men are together. B, C will see, so that no 2 men are together, so that men and women are alternative, that is C problem. Okay, first of all, before solving A, let us take the first question, general question. How many ways you can arrange 4 women and 4 men? Okay, even though he mentioned in this problem row, okay, if he not mentioned also, by default it is in a row line. Okay, so please tell me, how can you arrange 4 women and 4 men in a row? Suppose if I don't put any condition, it's the easiest problem. 4 plus 4 8, you can arrange them in 8 factorial ways. Happy situation. Okay, but option A is not happy situation. Is asking that all 4 men are together. Now the condition is all 4 men are together. See, this logic always work whenever you want certain pair or certain people, not pair, okay, certain people together, you just tie them up, usko बांध दो. They are like a single unit. Baki are remaining units, that plus this you arrange, and you can arrange them among themselves. Problem is done. Okay, that's it. Now these 4 men are together means these 4 men are like one unit, because they are all the 4 are together. Remaining how many? 4 women. So they are like 4 units. So total how many units you are having? 5 units. Now you have to arrange 5 units. How can you arrange 5 units? Where? In a row or in a line. How can you arrange 5 units in a line? 5 factorial. Okay, now it's like 1 2 3 like that, 5 factorial ways, like I'll just write it first 2 3, so okay, and so on, 5 factorial ways you can arrange. See, in every arrangement these 4 men are together. Okay, but if you say they are together, it's like only one arrangement. But I never said this fellow should be first, this fellow should be second. I never put that condition. So in that particular arrangement, they can arrange among themselves. That is, for each of these arrangements, that is 1 to 5 factorial, for each of these arrangements, the 4 men can be arranged among themselves. The 4 men can be arranged among themselves in how many ways? 4 factorial ways. For each 4 factorial. That is, for one arrangement, 4 factorial arrangements of men are there. Then for 5 factorial arrangements, how many arrangements would be there? So the answer is 5 factorial into 4 factorial. So the number of ways in which the 4 men are together is given by 5 factorial into 4 factorial. Okay. Now the B question. What is B question saying? No 2 men are together. Same question. 4 women and 4 men are arranged. In that, no 2 men are together. But here you have to be very careful. Okay. I'll just remove this and I tell you what is it. Okay. Now look here. Suppose when you take 4 men, 1, okay, 2, 3, 4. Let us put single 1, 1, 1, 1. So when you are having these 4 men, generally what are the possibilities? One possibility is all 4 together, like 1, 1, 1, 1. This is one possibility. What is the other possibility? 3 of them together and one fellow is not with them. What is the other possibility? 2 together, 2 together. What is the other possibility? 2 of them together, one separate, one separate. What is the other possibility? 1, 1, 1, 1. Hope I am not blocking you. Okay, right. 1, 1, 1, 1. Now when you say no two men are together, B, na? No two men are together means I want this situation. In previous example, what we done is when AB together, AB not together, when you want it, from total you removed AB together, you got the answer. Can I do that here? I cannot do it here. Because from total, if I remove all the 4 men together, I'll get this, this, this and this situation also. But I only need this particular situation where no 2 men together. That is, all the men are arranged separately. Okay, you should not have any two of them together. So this logic, that is total minus all 4 together, does not work here. Okay, and there is a very beautiful logical method for solving this particular problem. Let us see that now. Okay, please remember this method. Okay, now who are not having any restriction in this problem? Because no 2 men together means there is a restriction on men. Who are not having any restriction? Women. First arrange them. How many women? 4 women. So you arrange, because they do not have any restriction. I call them as no restriction. Because there is no restriction on women. 4 women can be arranged in a line in how many ways? Line 4 factorial. Okay, so let me show you one of such arrangement. Okay, one such arrangement. Total 4 will be there. I am just showing you one such arrangement of women. Women 1, okay, right here. Women 2, women 3, women 4. Where if you arrange men, then no 2 men will be together in the gaps. If you arrange men in these gaps, then no 2 men will be together. How many gaps are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't have to count like this, sir. Whenever you are having n objects in a line, there are n plus 1 gaps. Okay, in a line, n objects are there means how many gaps? N plus 1 gaps will be there. Circle, n objects means n gaps will be there. We'll see later. Now, 4 objects or 4 women means how many gaps? 5 gaps are there. Okay, now you have to arrange 5 men in 4 gaps. How can you arrange 5 men in 4 gaps? 5 men can be arranged in 4 gaps in how many ways, sir? 5p 4 ways. 5 men can be arranged in 4 gaps in 5p 4 ways. That is, for one arrangement of women, we are having 5p4 arrangement of men. Then total how many arrangements of women are there? For 4 factorial arrangement of women, how many arrangements are there in total? That is, the number of ways in which no 2 men are together. The number of ways in which no 2 men are together is given by 4 factorial into 5p4, like that. Okay, now one more question is left, that is men and women alternate. Okay, let us answer that particular. So C question. Okay, number of ways in which men and women can be alternatively arranged, that is number of alternative arrangements. Number of alternative arrangements. Now look here, we are having 4 women and 4 men, and you want number of alternative arrangements. See, this alternate arrangement problem we can solve, okay, in line and in circle under a special conditions only. So in a line, if you want to solve it, these 2 fellows must be like, you know, if one fellow is n, the other fellow can be n plus 1 or n minus 1. Then only you can have alternate arrangements. Suppose you are having 3, 4, you can have alternate arrangements. But if you have 3 and 5, Can you have alternate arrangements? Not possible. Okay, so you need to remember that. And in circle the situation is much worse. You should have both equal in number, then only alternate arrangements are possible, otherwise it is not possible. Actually you can try the same problem at home with 4 and 5, 4 women and 5 men also you can try. Okay, please try that after completing the solution. Now let us see this. 4 women and 4 men, and you want alternate arrangements, means after men women like that we need to arrange. So here also we can use the logic. First arrange one of the category. So let us arrange the 4 women. How can you arrange 4 women in a line? You arrange 4 factorial ways. So let us consider one such arrangement. Woman 1, woman 2, woman 3, woman 4. See, if you see previous problem, what we done, out of 5 places you selected 4 and the problem was completed. What was the question? No 2 men are together. But can I do it here? Out of 5 gaps, if I arrange 4 men, does it solve our purpose? Let us see. Suppose out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you select 4, you arrange 4 men. Suppose you arrange the men like M1, M2, M3, M4. Because out of 5 you are selecting 4, in the 4 you are arranging the men. What is happening? These 2 men are coming together. But you want alternate arrangements. So this is not allowed. So the previous solution is not applicable for this particular problem. Okay, so how to solve this problem? Let us see this. Now consider one such arrangement. Woman 1, woman 2, woman 3, woman 4. See, it is not selecting any 4 positions, sir. You have to select 4 positions, which gives you alternate arrangement. So the 4 positions can be 1, 2, 3, 4. Then alternate arrangement is there. Or you can select 1, 2, 3, 4. Means either these 4 positions you can select, or you can select these 4 positions. It's not like any 4 positions. It is either these 4 or these 4 positions. So these 4 positions you have to select, and you have to arrange how many people? 4 people. So you can arrange 4 people in 4 places in 4 factorial ways, or 4 people in 4 places in how many ways? 4 factorial ways. So for each arrangement of women, the men can be arranged in 4 factorial ways plus 4 factorial ways. That is, for one arrangement of women, we are having 4 factorial plus 4 factorial arrangements of men. So for total 4 factorial arrangements of women, how many arrangements are there? That is, the number of alternative arrangements is given by this into this. That is 4 factorial into 4 factorial plus 4 factorial. Clear?